Okay, see Lindelof videos. Ti-nspire quick tip of the day. This is actually super simple. I'm going to try to do it in less than 2 minutes to encourage you to watch these tip of the day videos. This one is just to convert degrees to radians. And it's so easy. And when I figured this out, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so easy. I have to share this. So hopefully this is good for you. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to my calculator really quickly. Remember, um, if you're just on your calculator, just going to calculate, you would go to menu. No, you wouldn't go to menu. You'd go to, I'm sorry, you'd go to home and you would choose calculator here. So here I am with the calculator. I am in radians right now, and you can tell that by going up by where the battery symbol is. And if you see RAD, that's radian form. If it said DEG, of course, that would be degree form. So I'm in radian form, but I want to put in degrees. So look, I want to know what 30 degrees is as radians. So here's the 30. This is what you do have to get is go down here at the bottom of your screen. Can you follow me down here? I'm at this G key. If you go over one to the right, you have some things to choose from. See this degree side right here? So I went to this key right here. It gives me here, I choose degrees. Check this out. It is this easy. I'm just going to hit enter. Isn't that cool? Like, that is so quick. I haven't figured out how to do it the other way around to put in radians, get degrees back. That it can be done, but it has to be done through command. This can just be done really easily, and this is also really handy because what if you had like 36 degrees? So here's 36 degrees. Same thing. Go down here by the G key, where the alpha pad is. Go over, hit degrees. Right? It is important that you put degrees here because otherwise it's not going to make any sense to your calculator. And then hit enter. Bang, right? So, right, instead of taking degrees and multiplying by pi over 180 to get that whole thing done, which you could do with the calculator not just as easily. You could do it quickly, but not this easily. This is just bang, man. It's done. So I hope this is helpful to you guys. If you have questions or comments, please let me know. And do me a favor, if you like this quick tip of the day thing, if you think it's a good idea for me to continue this, doing 2-minute videos, can you please just give me some kind of feedback so I know that it's good for you guys, okay? Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do.